I was so scared, I broke out in a cold sweat and couldn't shake it off. I rushed back home the whole way. But that night, I got sick. I don't know how, but I suddenly had a high fever. When Mom saw me, she wanted to send me to the hospital right away. She said she could tell I had been cursed. At the time, my eyes were all dark and swollen. Grandma said she knew a way to remove the curse. She went to the kitchen and grabbed an egg. She said she needed to check something first. While saying my name, she mumbled, wondering if some restless soul or evil spirit was haunting me. Then she placed the egg on the table. Something strange happened. The egg stood up straight on its own. It made me question everything I learned in physics class. It was like the egg was controlled by some mysterious force. Grandma said this meant I was hit by an evil spirit. She then took the egg and rolled it from the top of my head down my body. She kept muttering strange words as she rolled it. It sounded like she was telling the evil spirit to leave, and promised to burn paper money for it. The egg rolled over my body 2 or 3 times. Grandma told me not to worry. She then took the egg and boiled it. After 10 minutes, the egg was ready. Grandma peeled the egg. The egg white had turned completely black. It was pretty disgusting to look at. Grandma took the egg and some yellow paper and went outside. She told me and Mom to stay inside and not go out. Before long, the yellow paper was burned up. I felt much better, though. Even though I was back to normal. Grandma said I was physically weak. I was easy to attract evil spirits. She told me not to walk on small roads anymore. Since that day, I've made sure to avoid that small road after school. I now take a longer route through town.